can taste your words. I can taste your I can taste your words. I can taste.
First vlog of 2020. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here, and thank you for clicking onto my video. I am currently in Hong Kong. Hello Hong Kong, hello. Such a beautiful island here. Can't believe that it's such a big city and an island, so crazy. Today we are gonna go check out Big Buddha, and then afterwards, guys, you're gonna eat with me. We're gonna get fat. Oh yeah. Say hello.
Hey.
He's a bit ill, unfortunately. This is my room, so I chose like a studio room. The reason why I chose a bigger room is because we got a shitload of luggage. We have a mini wardrobe as well, and then in here, it's very messy in here, guys, so don't mind the mess. It's the bathroom. Oh yeah, bathtub, shower, bikini. And they also have a shopping mall connected to this hotel. Disney over there, guys. Buddha, literally. So we're at a train station called Sunny Bay. We accidentally missed our stop. Don't ask us how. That's what happens when you're on your phone. But we're at Sunny Bay station, and literally you can either go Big Buddha or you can go on the opposite station and go Disney. And I feel very spontaneous to go Disney, but I don't know if I'm willing to spend a lot of money though, because that's what Disney does to you. Excited?
Yeah.
There it is! Nearly at the Big Buddha, guys, but first thing first, I need to show you guys this. So we are at the locals. When you come to Phnom Penh, when you first walk in, it's like quite, I want to say modern, but then when you walk further up towards the Big Buddha, it's way more local, which I absolutely love. I love visiting locals and, you know, the village shops and everything, and I am so excited because I really want to buy one of these hats. I've always wanted one of these rice-filled hats. I don't know why, but it's just the Asian in me, man. I did it, guys. And so did Nathan. Hey! So just to let you guys know, it's 268 steps to the Big Buddha. So if you are ready for some cardio, then you're good. So yeah, let's go do it. We made it! Finally! I'm fucking sweating. Isn't it a beauty? Oh my god. So big in person, guys. This is the view, guys. Wow. And hello, Buddha. So this is the hotel we're staying in. It's called a Cordis Hotel, and then right over there is a shopping centre. However though, because we are guests here, we have easy access to the shopping centre, which literally takes 2 seconds to get to. So this is the lobby at Cordis, and then watch this, guys. And here is the mall. How crazy is that? It's called the Langham Place Mall, and you walk directly into the food court, which is amazing because me and Nathan are so hungry right now. This is the menu. So we got custard, we got red bean, and this one is, I believe, green tea. And then this is the savory bun. So we got the pork bao. This is amazing. I already had this already. So cute as well. And this is steamed cabbage with pork as well. And they also do a wide variety of other food as well. Look at this one. You literally get baked pineapple puffs served in an actual bird cage. In case no one has ever been to like a traditional Chinese restaurant, they give you a menu like this, and you literally tick off what items you want to eat. Oh my freaking god, guys, they do deep fried baby pigeon with the face and the beak and everything. No, that's too much. I mean, only in Hong Kong though. Our food is here, guys. We got some shrimp and vegetable dumplings. So pretty. It's got like some gold sparkles on there. I don't know how they did that, but yeah. I also got some custard buns as well. Look at the little faces. It's so cute. Got some pork puffs as well. This is my favorite Chinese dish. You guys need to try it. If you love pork and you love fried food, this is the one for you right here. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it's so good. Teacher Ling here. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing the video and the audio is so awful and I am so sorry that it's not the best quality of work. It's definitely made me realize how important audio is in vlogging, so I will definitely be getting a new whole entire vlogging kit. But basically I wanted to do like a voiceover for this section because the audio is so bad that I didn't want to like crackle your ears. So basically this dish right here, the custard bun, so you know, it's all cute and everything and it looks amazing. However though, I don't think I want to be eating, guys. Yeah, it's not that nice and it's very eggy. Just thinking about the taste and the smell makes me want to heave already. Is this approved? Hell no, sis. So apparently on Google, Tiger Sugar is one of the best bubble teas, but to be honest with you guys, it's okay. If you love coffee, then the coffee here is actually really good. It is quite different. It's a little bit stronger than normal coffee. It's got more of a bittery taste here. The tapioca here is so good, very chewy. But the thing is, guys, I need to tell you a secret. I have outgrown tapioca. I don't really like it as much as I used to. When I was younger, I loved it, but then, I don't know, I think because I overdosed myself in tapioca, it's just no longer my favorite anymore. Next day in Hong Kong, and we are now gonna go try out some authentic Hong Kong cafe food. I found two places and one of them, hold up, let me see what it's called. Camware Cafe and Bakery. Look at the food, guys. They even got egg tart as well. I love Chinese egg tart, guys. Oh, we made it. And also, guys, they have an English menu. Very busy in here as well, which is good to see. Hi. Thank you. That's what she recommends. She recommends these three right there. We got a pineapple bun, which sounds very interesting. Pineapple bun with pork chops, okay. French toast and an egg tart. I'm definitely gonna get an egg tart. My egg tart came, yes! And guys, I ordered lemon coffee. If you love coffee, then you probably will like this. But I love coffee too, but this is so strong. The Asian coffee here is just... so good. Nathan's got the pineapple pork chop bun.
It's actually nice, yeah.
It's actually nice. What does it taste like? Is it sweet? Is it savoury? Is it mouth-watering?
Like a biscuit.
So the bun that Nathan has is so delicious. My mum used to give this to me all the time when I was little. So like the inside is like proper soft, but then the outside is like really like sugary and crummy. So it's a tradition here in Hong Kong to have this hot milk tea. It's from a brand called Black and White. Oh, it's really nice, but it needs a lot of sugar though. That was delicious. Now we're gonna go find an egg waffle, some bubble tea. Don't know what an egg waffle looks like. This is how it looks. Looks like a honeycomb. Apparently these are bomb AF. Here are some of the flavors as well. I think I'm gonna try the egglet and chocolate flavor. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. I wish you all could smell it. It tastes so good. It tastes more like a biscuit rather than a traditional English American waffle. Boyfriend got my bubble tea. I've got a traditional milk tea. Babe, that's the other way around. I'm gonna stab myself. Oh my god, it's so good. Whatever this place is, guys, you need to check it out. It's so good.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, I threw up after having the bubble tea and egg waffle. I don't know why. I never ever experienced anything like that before. Usually when I eat food, I can just, you know, handle it, especially when I eat things in a rush. But I think the reason why I threw up is because I just ate it so fast before getting on the train. Even though I threw up and my stomach is very sensitive, I still want to eat lots of food because today's my last day in HK, so gotta make use of it all. In case you didn't know, McDonald's in Hong Kong has a very special dish, and me and Nathan had it for the first time yesterday, and we have been craving it all day today, and that is chicken! Fried chicken. Oh yes, 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 yes. Don't mind the mess. I got my jammy bottoms on, ready to get bloated. Here's a fried chicken. Let's move this drink out of the way. Go ahead and have the chicken, babe.
Do you know what I like about it?
What do you like about the chicken?
It's not as crumbly as like a KFC chicken.
So this is the thigh. Look at the colour of it as well. Isn't it just so beautiful? I got honey barbecue seasoning for my chips. So the honey barbecue seasoning is a powder, which I did not know. I thought it was going to be a sauce. So I just drizzled my fries in it. It's not for everyone. It definitely does not taste like honey or barbecue. It tastes like fish powder. That's what it tastes like. Oh, got breasts. Last meal of the day, and that is dinner. I have no makeup on. I showered. I feel ready for din-dins, and Nathan is still sick, by the way. So the one thing I've learned about visiting Hong Kong is that when it comes to navigating and finding where to go in order to get like a certain type of food or a certain type of dish, girl, let me tell you something. It is so hard to navigate in Hong Kong. If you see a restaurant or you see like a little boutique food place that does street food, girl, just take it and just eat it then and there, because chances are you're gonna like it depending on how adventurous you are. So my last meal of the day, I have no idea what it's gonna be. I'm gonna go walk around the mall that is connected to this hotel. One thing you want to know about me and Nathan is that we freaking love Japanese food, and because I've been having Asian, Hong Kong, Chinese food every single day, I need a change. So we found a restaurant called Ippudo. I have been craving a lemon soda, and the lemon in here is literally like frozen, like super hard, super frozen. Hello. Oh wow. I was expecting it to be really sweet, but it's not. It's more sour. It tastes like soda water marinated in lemon all day. Nathan's favorite food, chicken and pork gyoza with some spring onions in there, with a side of soya sauce. Oh yeah, you drenched that little dumpling. Oh yeah. Rate the dumpling out of 1 out of 10. Bro, let me start again. Rate the dumpling out of 1 or 10. Let's go again. Rate the dumpling out of 10.
Like 7.5.
7?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay. Is it greasy? Is it...
No.
Is it really like succulent and wet?
Fresh.
Fresh? Oh, okay. That's a plus. Okay, so I got myself a vegetable ramen with lots of soup. Oh my god. Smells so good, smells so fresh. I didn't get any meat. Usually whenever I get a ramen I get a lot of meat in it, but because my stomach is so fragile I didn't want to like get something really heavy. And yeah, tomorrow, you know, I'm going on a flight, so I want it to be comfortable. Really good. You can also choose the texture of your noodles. You can have really soft, normal or hard. I just got normal. That was delicious. Right opposite the noodles is HoneyMoon dessert. Has so many good things about it, and I'm gonna see what type of Asian dessert I want to get. They also do some cute teas as well. I'm gonna go for the peach and jasmine tea. That sounds delicious. It is time for bed. But before I sleep, midnight snack it is. At Honey Express I got myself the mango pancakes. I just thought it looked so interesting and different. I thought, why not try it? And also I think it's cold as well. And this is the drink, guys. Look how pretty this drink is. It's got watermelon, kiwi, lemon, mango, some jelly in there as well. This is the perfect tea to have. It's basically a fruit jasmine tea, and it's so delicious. I much prefer this than a traditional bubble tea. So this is how it looks. It looks so weird. When I was younger, my mom and my dad used to own a Chinese takeaway, and they used to make handmade spring rolls, and that wrapping thing, it was like so soft before you fry it, and that's how it feels. It just feels really soft and soggy. Bon appetit, guys. Last dessert in Hong Kong. This would taste so nice if it was like frozen. The mango is definitely fresh. Cream is so good. But the wrapping, I'm not so sure about the wrapping. I'm kind of wondering what would it taste like if it was like lightly fried. The more I eat it, the more I like it. I'm gonna save the last piece for tomorrow, because I am off to the Philippines tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next vlog. I know this video is so different to what I usually film because I come from a makeup and fashion background, but I really wanted to share something different with you guys, and that is food. I mean, who doesn't love food? If you like these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that way you are notified for my future videos. So yeah, happy 2020, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.